Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to install WordPress on your local server using XAMPP. This is perfect for testing and development. Let's get started. First, we need to download and install XAMPP. I have opened a web browser to search for the XAMPP download. So I am going to download XAMPP from the first link. Here we can see multiple versions for Windows. I recommend downloading the latest version to install. If it does not start automatically, you can click here, so I am doing that. We need to select a folder location to save the file. I will save it in my downloads folder, but you can save it whatever you want. Our file has started downloading. We need to wait for it to finish. I skipped the downloading process since it took a little time. Now I will install the software. We encounter an error. This error usually occurs if you have existing file or if you previously used XAMPP but did not delete all the old file. So I am going to locate the XAMPP file and delete it. I have deleted the file. Now let's try to install the software. Yes, it is starting to install. We need some time to install it. The software has successfully installed. Now let's run it. We have completed the first step. Now let's move on to the second step. In the second step, we need to download WordPress and deploy it in the XAMPP folder. So I am going to download WordPress now. This is the WordPress website. Click on Get WordPress to download it. So download has started. We have to wait for it to complete. The download has completed. Now let's deploy it on the XAMPP server. To deploy WordPress, we need to go the htdocs folder. We need to open a folder, name it according to your domain name. I just name it my store, so you can name it whatever you want. Then let's open the folder and paste WordPress here. Now we have to unzip the file. I am unzipping the file here. We'll need those files in the main folder. For example, I have created a my store folder, so I have to put the file in the folder. Now I am copying the file and will paste them into the my store folder. After completing it, I will delete empty WordPress folder. Before starting, we have to make sure the server is running. Now we have to open the browser and set up WordPress. We have an option to select a language. You can select any language. I will select United States. We need to set up a database. Before creating the database, we will need database name, database username and database password. So now let's create the database. To create the database, we have to open MySQL server. I am going to open browser to access MySQL. You can see here some existing database, so we have to create a new one. I am creating the database with my store name. Next, we have to create a database username. For example, we have to open a database and then go to the privilege. This is our database. We have to edit it, get username and password. We can see here login information option. Click it. Here is the username, root, and password is blank. If you want, you can change the password and username. I'm just using the default setting. We have all the information to connect our WordPress to the database. So let's go. So I have all the information now. Submit the data. I have submitted all the information to connect database. So let's run the installation. In this section, we have to submit our website data. You have to submit your website information here. I have submitted data, so let's install WordPress. Successfully, our WordPress is installed. So we have to log in to our site using the username and password. Now I am logging to the site. So I am editing my login information here. Welcome to the WordPress dashboard. Now we can install any premium or free theme. If you have any question, please comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.